Introducing Human in the Loop. It's AI that amplifies humans. Everyone's talking about AI replacing humans, but here's the truth that most people are actually missing. The AI that actually wins isn't the one that removes humans, it's the one that amplifies them. And that's exactly what we're doing here at AssignX. I'm going to be introducing our version of Human in the Loop. AssignX's newest feature that lets AI handle repetitive tasks while keeping humans in control at the moments that matter most. This means no more cold campaigns or endless back and forth, just smarter AI agents that work with the human touch intact. So, how does this all work? Well, here's a high level. AI that handles the routine follow-ups, task tracking, data updates, and day-to-day task management, all done with AI. There are human checkpoints. At pivotal points in sales operations or customer interactions, the AI pings the right team member with suggestions or actions. It's decisions, not automation. Human approve, adjust, or personalize before anything goes out, preserving judgment, tone, and emotional intelligence. Why does this matter? Well, this allows your human team to scale your operation without adding complexity or getting lost in the day's work. It allows you and your human team to maximize the output. Imagine going from a day's work done to a week's worth done in the same 24 hours. This turns AI from a tool into a co-pilot for human judgment. How do you actually apply this in your own operation? Well, in sales, AI drafts the texts and emails, it follows up until the job is done. It flags key conversations, scores intent, and surfaces the right moments for a human to step in right before a deal goes cold or a signal is missed. In operations, AI monitors the campaigns, performances, and workflows in real time. When thresholds are crossed or judgment calls are required, it alerts the right team member with context and recommended actions. In customer success, AI handles the consistency. Humans handle the relationship. AssignX automates the routine check-ins, the usage monitoring, and the health scoring that run in the background after every conversation with the prospect or a customer. When sentiments shift, engagement drops, or a lead hits a critical moment, the AI escalates this to a human with context, insight, and suggested next steps. Human in the Loop is live now for all AssignX users. It's the AI for humans, not instead of them. This way, you can scale smarter while staying human. Welcome to our version of Human in the Loop.
See the money won't stay for you.